Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. Let's do another side bloom. This time we're going to be using Amsterdam's Carmine Deep, Amsterdam Quin Rose, Golden's Gold Bright Fine, Pebeo Green Blue, Pebeo Green Yellow. Won't use too much of the blue this time. Last time it was a little too much. Let's go again. This is my third attempt. Try again. Okay, my beautiful red. That's the Amsterdam Carmine Deep. My Quin Rose. That's awful bubbly. And some Golden's Gold Bright. Now, this one I have to make smaller. There's always too much of it. There, just a little bit. And the green. Go. And our Amsterdam black, oxide black, mixed with Australian Floetrol. Kind of put it towards the bottom a little bit so I can kind of aim it sideways and up. All right, let's do it. Let's hope this time works. Good. I went extra slow as to try not to get the pillow paint. So you really can't rush it. And I didn't get any pillow paint up. Yay! Happy about that. Okay. So let's go like this. This, oh, it's gonna be pretty, I think. Pretty. Take my time. Okay, that is what I wanted. Now, let's slowly spin it out. Let me scoot it over a little bit. Move the camera. Wipe my hands. All right. Oh, that's pretty. Now I know that blue-green is not really what stems, the color of a stem, but I just like the brightness of it. Oh, that's pretty. Gotta get the corners off, so almost got it off. That's really pretty. I love that color combination. And finally, no pillow paint. Wow, I like it. I like it a lot. How about you? Do you want to try this? Be my guest. my guest. Be my guest. Thinking of Beauty and the Beast movie came to mind. Okay, so I'm gonna get you down for a close-up and go ahead and try this yourself. It's not really hard as long as you don't get that pillow paint up, and you just keep trying until you get it going. So I'm gonna, take you down for a close-up, and I wish you all of God's blessings, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.